we are going to present assembly on the gracious occasion World Nature Conservation Day. So as you welcome this beautiful morning, I request everyone to kindly join your hands and close your eyes as we begin with the morning prayer. Now it's time to celebrate World Nature Conservation Day through dance.
समझना अपनी आँखें खोले और कुछ करे और धीरे 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 बनाए एक बेहतर कल हम शुरू करें अभी हमारे घर पर आई समस्या आओ सुलझाए इसे मिलकर हम अभी 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 बनाए एक बेहतर कल हम शुरू करें अभी आओ पेड़ उगाए कचरा हटाए धरती सुधारे हम बढ़ाए हम अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल हम शुरू करें अभी अब कितना कल
Teacher to address the assembly on World Nature Conservation Day through positive thoughts.
Every tree saved, every drop of water conserved, and every act of kindness towards nature make a difference. Good morning, the Principal Dr. Sister Sharon Harris. My dear teachers and dear students, today I feel honored to speak a few words on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is observed every year on 28th July to remind us the importance of protecting our environment and using natural resources responsibly. Nature provides us with a clean air, fresh water, food and shelter. Our survival depends on healthy forests, rivers, oceans, wildlife and balanced ecosystem. As a student, we can make a difference by planting trees, saving water, electricity, reducing plastic use, recycling waste, keeping our surroundings clean. Even small action when taken by many people can create a positive impact. Let us remember, we don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from for future generations. Together, let us pledge to protect nature and preserve the beauty for years to come. Protect nature today for a better tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day.